Happy Monday, my cash cow family from Carmel by the Sea, California. Yeah. Hello, kids. Hope you all had a wonderful Mother's Day, all you mothers out there. I know I have the best mother ever, so you can't compete with that. Anyway, guys, in today's video, I am just going to show you, like I've stated in the past, how affiliate marketing is a marathon and not a sprint. And I'm going to explain that in this very short video. So, if you'd like to learn how to make money with affiliate marketing in your sleep, then stay the frick tuned. I'll flip it around and we'll get it started. I forgot to mention, kids, guys, and gals, I am going to update you on the print-on-demand tutorial that I am currently working on. That video is going to be coming out soon, so I'll just give you some updates about that as well. So, anyway, we'll flip it around once again. Boo! Did you miss me? Yeah, I said it. Alright, guys, so like the thumbnail stated, I'm just going to show you and tell you guys again why affiliate marketing is such a great business model and how you guys can make money in your sleep, like yours truly. I can't speak this morning. Probably because it's freaking freezing here. But anyway, guys, so enough of the jibber jabber. But I do hope you've all been well. I have certainly missed you. I miss creating videos, guys, but I just really haven't had any content to put out. I mean, I don't want to waste anyone's time, this, that, and the other. And I'm not about making videos, you know, clickbait videos and all that. I certainly could, but I'm not going to. So anyway, guys, that's what your silent cash cow's been doing. Just laying low, caddying, and making moolah online. All right, guys. So I think it was yesterday I got a email from Groove Digital about, actually it was on, let's see here. Well, I got an email on April 30th. As you can see this right here. Now, guys, I haven't been promoting Groove in at least almost a year, I think. Maybe 6 months. I don't know. It doesn't matter. But this is the kind of stuff, guys, and this is why I state all the time, affiliate marketing is not a sprint, it's a marathon. And this just proves my point, because this was April 30th and my commission is $140. Then where's the other one, Kevin? Kevin? You guys know I don't do any scripts or anything, so I'm kind of looking at this as you are. So then on May 4th, I got this from TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy has dropped their commissions. I'm still a super affiliate of theirs, but it dropped from 50% all the way down to 30%. That's as high as anybody can ever get, which kind of pisses me off. But I mean, again, I haven't been promoting this. I really only promote it on YouTube, and it's probably been 9 months or more since I promoted TubeBuddy. But guys, I'm only showing you this. Again, I don't show anything to make anyone jealous or whatever. I show you so you guys know that you can do this. So anyway, for referring this customer, you'll earn $43.78 every year as long as they remain a customer forever. So, I mean, 43 bucks is 43 bucks, right? It's more money than I had when I woke up that on May 4th, right? So, you just have to stick with it, guys. I know I sound like a broken record, but it's the truth. Oh, here's another one, guys. It's a whopping $2.80. But again, guys, I haven't promoted this in probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 months. And again, I understand it's not a lot of money, but it's more money than I had on when I woke up on Tuesday, April 19th. And then I don't see the groove. Well, I'll just show you the email, because I recently got another one too, which I'll prove to you in a second. Basically, I sent an email to Groove Digital, their support. This is what I said to them. What did I say to them? I was basically asking them when I was going to get my commissions, because I had one back in February or March. I think it was March, and I still hadn't gotten paid from that. So anyway, guys, I know I'm rambling on. Trust me, I don't want to make these videos longer. They just always seem to work out that way. So this was yesterday, about 7 hours ago, I guess it was. Here's the email that I wrote to them. So I sent them an email on Saturday, and I said, "Hi. So I've been an affiliate of yours for a couple of years now, and I recently received a few emails stating I got some new sales. I'm curious as to when these funds will be released to my PayPal account." And then they responded the next day, yesterday. "Hi, Kevin. Thank you for contacting Groove Affiliate Support Team. Good day to you. Regarding your concern, I reviewed your account, and you have $349.50 as earned commissions in the first tier." I'm not getting into tiers and all that, guys. And then he said $209.70 commissions out of the total commissions are due. I have updated your details for payment release, and these commissions should be released soon. The remaining $139.80 commissions will be released after 37 days, 30 days plus a 7-day buffer period to handle refunds and support, which is very typical in the affiliate marketing world, right? So you can expect these commissions to be paid on average between day 37 and day 42 from when the sale is made. So thank you for your loyalty. You're a valued member of the Groove family, and we look forward to paying you more commissions soon. So let me just run over here to Groove real quick. You guys know I show you freaking everything. Unlike those other gurus on frickin' line. I actually had a buddy of mine say to me a couple weeks ago, he's like, "Dude, I think you should, you need to make your videos more clickbait, your thumbnails more clickbaity." And I'm like, "No, I don't. I mean, I understand that's how you get subscribers and all that shit, but that's not me, guys. As you know from day one, I've never done any kind of clickbait stuff. I show you everything, what it took to get the sales and blah, blah, blah." And so I just say that. So one of the reasons I do it is so you trust me, right? So anywho, let me log in here real quick so you know it's me. Boom, bada boom, bada bing, bang, bang. Another reason, guys, that I'm sharing this with you for one, to show you that it's possible, but the other reason being is that if you're trying to get into affiliate marketing or you've never done anything like this before, I've said in the past, it's been a while, but I would definitely promote something like GrooveFunnels, and TubeBuddy as well. Reason being, guys, there's several reasons why I would promote these if I was just starting out with affiliate marketing. On both of the products, with Groove and TubeBuddy, you're giving away a free product. So, I can't stress enough to you guys, if you're running ads towards something and you're giving away something for free, you're going to get way more conversions. I hope you understand that. And Groove, honestly, I've never really ever built anything with Groove, but I know from everything I see online, and I know Mike from Groove, the founder or whatever. I mean, the guys are legit, right? I'm sure you've seen ads for Groove funnels all over the place. What's great about it is, for one, like I said, it's free. I think you can build three landing pages or websites with their free plan. But obviously, people they're going to need all the features down the road. Same with TubeBuddy, so they might try it out for a day. They might try it out for a year. And that's why I'm showing you this, guys, because I haven't promoted any of this. But I'm still getting sales. So that's why you guys got to stick with it, and blah to the fucking blah. All right. As you can see, there's no traffic here, guys. I'm just going to go on this year. And there's the $349 that is in the thumbnail. So I've gotten 3 sales and $349 in commissions. Bada boom, bada bang. And guys, I will put a link down below. My affiliate link for GrooveFunnels. It's basically the second tier, like links right here. So this is the second tier affiliate link. Guys, I'm going to put this down below. And that way you can join under me. And if you have any questions about anything, obviously I will certainly help you. I mean, I only get 5% or 10% of whatever sales you generate for them. So it's not like I'm trying to make money off you guys. I mean, be great if I did. And speaking of that, guys, I just got an email from YouTube recently too, and they stated they're now doing super thanks. So if you go into YouTube, hey, there's me. If you go into YouTube, and we'll just go into one of my videos. Don't you guys love how I make these things so freaking long? I don't do this intentionally, I promise. My channel. I just want to show you what this looks like, guys. See this thanks button right here? And if you're monetized, all you have to do is it's just one click and you can enable it. And that lets people like you guys, if you like the content that I'm sharing, which I certainly hope that you are, you could give me thanks by basically giving me a tip. $2, $5, $10, $50, whatever. So I'm just letting you guys know it's there if you wanna help out a brother. I don't plan on getting rich from the shit, but it's a cool feature that they added. So, all right, all right. So we're done with Groove, and then guys, I want to talk to you about the print on demand tutorial, like in-depth step-by-step training that I'm putting together. I've already started on the website, and it's in Shopify. If you guys are new to the channel, like I've stated in the past couple videos, I am showing you how to make a e-commerce print-on-demand store with Shopify. I've used Shopify for years. I just recently started doing it again just because I'm making quite a bit of money on it. Not crazy money, but I just want to show you guys step by step how you can do this. And guys, it is not as hard as you might think. So this is my this is the real Caddyshack. You can see what I've done here, but this is going to be the new one, guys, that we're going to do step by step together. I've already started working on it. I bought the domain already and all that stuff, but this is what it is. And again, guys, I haven't done much, but what I've done already is freaking pretty damn sick, I think. So yeah. And I'm going to show you guys how to do this, how to make the products, whether it's t-shirts, hats, mugs, you name it. I'm going to show you all of that. Show you how to find a niche, etc., etc. So anyway, I am, and I'm really looking forward to doing this because this is what I love to do the most, is designing websites and products. And I can't begin to tell you the feeling I'd get, and you would get, when you get a sale of something that you made yourself. It's frickin' epic. And the real Caddyshack, I think, did almost $3,000 in sales last month. I mean, it's not crazy money, but you know, it's anywhere from 40 to $70 a day right now. I mean, some days are zero, but it all works out in the end, guys. So anyway, once again, I hope you've all been well. I've certainly missed you. I miss creating videos, but again, I'm not going to put out, bullshit content. So, again, links for the Groove affiliate program, and I'll even throw a link in there for the TubeBuddy affiliate program. If you guys want to help me out, and I certainly will help all of you out. And then let me know in the comments down below, guys, if you still want me to show you how to do the print-on-demand Shopify store. Like I've said, I'm going to do it anyway, but it helps me. It motivates me when I see somebody say, hey, yes, we want to see this. So please comment down below in whatever video, hopefully this one, and let me know that you want to see me do this. And I'm going to leave it at that, guys. I hope you have a wonderful Monday wherever you are in this crazy place we call a freaking world anymore. And I will see you in the next video. Peace. I love you all.